What if your biggest business headache could run itself for free? One developer nightmare sparked a smarter solution, and the right timing makes all the difference. The payoff? Thousands in monthly income.
Right now, somewhere, a business is paying a human $15 to process a single invoice. Their competitor? They automated it for $2. And the guy who built that system? He charged them thousands, using nothing but free tools you already have access to. But here's the crazy part. MIT research reveals a staggering 95% of enterprise AI pilot projects fail completely. Why? Because ambitious founders fall for what I call the Demo Delusion. They obsess over building massive, 100% autonomous artificial brains from scratch. But what happens when that unchecked artificial brain hallucinates and accidentally promises a customer a massive, unauthorized refund? It creates total chaos. Attempting total autonomy leads straight into the maintenance trap. Managing dozens of custom-coded bots becomes a literal nightmare, draining time, money, and your sanity. Just ask Liam Otley. He scaled his AI agency to $3 million, but remote Upwork developers kept ghosting him. He abandoned his digital nomad dream just to fix broken code. The secret to surviving this? Stop building artificial brains. Instead, think like a biologist. You need to build a digital nervous system using simple, low-code glue to connect existing tools. Think of it this way. A brain without a body is totally useless. AI automation is simply giving ChatGPT hands and eyes, using free platforms you can learn in an afternoon. In fact, you can build a 24/7 AI employee for exactly $0, using the holy trinity of automation: Zapier, Make.com, and the OpenAI API. But there's a major catch. Zapier is the industry standard for catching inbound leads, but its free tier is a trap. It severely limits you to 100 tasks a month with a sluggish 15-minute delay. In internet time, 15 minutes is an eternity. So rule number 1, use Zapier strictly as a catcher's mitt to grab the lead, then immediately pass the data off. Pass it to Make.com. Make.com acts as your central nervous system. It handles complex multi-step data routing on its free tiers, while OpenAI acts as the processing brain. This is the ultimate aha moment. Clients will happily pay thousands of dollars for these unsexy, low-code API connections rather than demanding incredibly complex, custom-coded software platforms. But why? Why are massive businesses throwing money at simple Make.com for business setups? What is the actual value being created behind the scenes that makes this so lucrative? Because clients don't buy AI. They buy reliable operational efficiency. They are seeing an incredible average return of $4.80 for every single dollar they invest in these automation workflows. Let's look at lead generation. Normally, it takes a human 4.2 hours to respond to a website inquiry. By the time they reply, the prospect has already moved on. But automated routing slashes that response time to just 8 seconds. That single, simple speed increase drives a massive 38% bump in conversion rates. It's practically printing money. And remember that $15 invoice from the beginning? By deploying AI data extraction, agencies drop that processing cost to just $2 per document. That's an 80% savings overnight. The secret sauce is human in the loop. You automate 90% of the repetitive workflow, but route the messy 10% edge cases to a human. No hallucinations, just pure, reliable efficiency. So you're saving businesses thousands and charging premium retainers. But what if I told you the real wealth in an AI agency isn't coming from the clients at all?
The real money is quietly generated on the back end through content creation. A step-by-step Zapier tutorial video on YouTube is essentially a digital goldmine for savvy agency owners.
Because AI software companies bid aggressively for ads, a single well-crafted tutorial can earn up to $3,500 in AdSense revenue for just 100,000 views. But wait, it gets better. That one-time AdSense payout is nothing compared to the Holy Grail, compounding monthly recurring revenue from high-ticket SaaS affiliate programs. This is how creators stack true passive wealth. Creators strategically place affiliate links in their video descriptions. The undisputed heavyweight here is Go High Level, which offers a massive 40% lifetime recurring commission for every user you bring in. Funnel a viewer into their $297 plan, and you earn $118 every single month. Convert just 50 viewers. That's $6,000 in passive income, plus a $750 monthly Tesla stipend.
Not a bad bonus for simply teaching people how to connect two pieces of software on the internet, right? It's the ultimate scalable business model that compounds every single month.
The automation engines pay out too. Make.com offers a highly accessible public program, paying a generous 35% commission for the first 12 months of a user's subscription.